Is the digit icon guaranteed savings plan income plus lump sum variant truly a smart path to financial security, or does it fall short when compared to better wealth building options? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So, this is a non-linked, non-participating individual life insurance savings plan. Some of the key features of the policy are: it provides you with strong financial protection for your family through its extensive life insurance component. It offers guaranteed fixed returns that remain unaffected by market fluctuations. In case of accidental death, the nominee receives twice the sum assured, ensuring added financial security, and premiums qualify for deductions under Section 80C, and policy payouts are exempt under Section 10(10)(d) of the Income Tax Act. So there are four variants under the digit icon guaranteed savings plan, which are lump sum benefit, income plus lump sum benefit, and whole life benefit. In this video, we are going to focus on the lump sum benefit variant. So some of the key benefits of the policy are death benefit, survival benefit, and maturity benefit. And some of the advantages are: it offers you with financial protection against a broad range of specified critical illnesses. It allows policyholders to borrow up to 80% of the surrender value when they need funds. It provides access to 15 plus wellness features designed to promote and reward healthier habits. To choose your premium amount, payment frequency, and policy term based on your financial comfort and long-term goals is also available. It ensures that your family continues to receive all scheduled benefits even if you're no longer around. And if the policyholder unfortunately passes away during the income benefit period, the regular income payouts continue seamlessly to the nominee. So these are some of the advantages. However, there are some disadvantages as well, like receiving income payout during the policy term breaks the compounding process, which can restrict long-term wealth creation, and the survival benefit may not be adequate to meet large or big-ticket financial requirements. And although this policy provides you with guaranteed benefit, the overall returns tend to be on the lower side. So the sum assured may not be enough to fully cover your long-term financial goals and responsibilities. So these are some of the disadvantages we need to keep in our mind before deciding to invest in this policy. If you still want to know more about certain aspects of the policy in detail, you can refer to the policy brochure as well. So now, as we have a basic idea about this policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure to help us make a more informed decision. For example purpose, let us assume that a 35-year-old male invests 1 lakh rupees per year in this policy, choosing a 10-year premium payment term, a 30-year policy term, and a 30-year income payout period under the income plus lump sum benefit option. He opts for annual income payouts and has a sum assured of 10 lakhs. So starting from the end of the first policy here, he receives a survival benefit of 20,000 rupees annually. At the end of the policy term, he also receives a lump sum amount of 22.73 lakhs. All these benefits are guaranteed, resulting in an IRR of 5.15%. While the plan offers predictability, this long-term return of just 5.15% as per the policy's maturity calculator is not attractive for an investor. The annual survival benefits reduce the final lump sum, and neither the yearly payouts nor the maturity amount is substantial enough to meet major financial goals. As a result, this policy may not be a beneficial investment option. So now, as we know that this policy does not give us the desirable outcome that we need, let us move on to the comparative analysis, in which we are going to take an alternative approach. So instead of combining insurance and investment components, here we are going to invest in it separately, just to see whether investing separately can give us better efficient results. So here we are going to use same or similar parameters from the previous example for a fair comparison. So using the same annual outlay of 1 lakh, you can divide the amount between pure insurance coverage and investments. A term life insurance policy with a 10 lakh sum assured. A 30-year policy term and a 10-year premium payment term cost just 12,400 rupees per year. The remaining 87,600 rupees can be invested to build wealth. So here in this example, the investment portion is allocated to an equity mutual fund. For the first 10 years, the saved premium is invested in an equity scheme. At the end of 10 years, the accumulated amount is shifted to a debt instrument earning 7% annually. So here, after factoring in the capital gains tax, the post-tax maturity value comes to 13.42 lakhs. So from this corpus, 20,000 rupees is withdrawn annually, mirroring the survival benefit offered under the Digit Icon policy. So at the end, the remaining balance is fully withdrawn to match the lump sum payout of the Digit Icon plan, resulting in a maturity amount that is almost double that of the insurance plan. This cash flow pattern delivers an IRR of 7.42%. If you have any doubts regarding how we have calculated the tax for equity mutual fund, you can see that we have presented a tabular column for this purpose on the screen for your easy reference, which you can pause and see. And the benefit doesn't stop there. If you avoid annual withdrawals, your investment corpus grows even faster, leading to significantly higher returns. So this strategy also offers liquidity and flexibility, allowing you to access funds anytime, unlike the rigid and restrictive payout structure of the Digit Icon plan. So what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the Digit Icon guaranteed savings plan income plus lump sum variant worth it or not? This policy provides you with guaranteed survival benefits at regular intervals along with a final lump sum payout. While these features offer predictability, the long-term returns are not favorable, and the life insurance coverage is too limited to provide substantial financial support to a family, and it also has a high agent commission. Overall, the combination of inadequate life cover and low returns makes this plan an unattractive choice for investors. So relying on a traditional insurance policy for regular income is not ideal. A more effective approach is to separate insurance and investment, build a diversified investment portfolio for long-term wealth creation, and ensure you have adequate life insurance, preferably through a pure term policy which is available at affordable premiums.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.